Hi everyone, this is Peter with Wave One Marine, and today we're looking at our dual color stainless LED deck mount navigation light. It's a perfect easy upgrade for those of you with incandescent or older LED technology. With years of experience buying, selling, and upgrading boats, we wanted to create a better stainless bow mount navigation light for a reasonable cost. Unlike other poor quality imitations, our light is fully IP67 rated. We've tested it submersed in salt water for 100 hours of continuous operation. Others use cheap quality copper wiring. Our wiring is all marine grade heat shielded wiring, which is extremely important through the chase of your boat where there's friction. It won't abrade and come apart after just a few weeks. Our light is also a full stainless body. It's a beautiful mirror polished stainless steel that will look beautiful in marine conditions for years to come. A great upgrade feature on our light is you can conventionally wire it underneath the deck like most lights, but we also created a pocket of space underneath the light with this special gasket that keeps water out once it's mounted. You can actually connect it in this cavity so that the connections can be above your deck as well instead of connecting it in a tough spot underneath your deck. It's a great upgrade feature. It makes the design very flexible and easy. Most importantly, unlike other poor quality imitations, we're based right here in the United States. We have great customer service as well as a no-hassle warranty if needed. We believe in these products and test them every day and upgrade them on our boats in tough ocean conditions off the coast here of Florida. You simply can't get a better deck mount LED dual color navigation light with this beautiful mirror polished stainless housing on the market for the price. It's a fantastic product and we know you're going to love it. Thank you.